Hello students, today we are going to start our fifth lecture of model second. Okay, in the previous lecture we already started nuclear models. Okay, in that lecture we also studied the shell model, but in today's lecture we are going to solve the problems on the shell model. Now, as we studied in the shell model, that you can also call as this shell model as single particle model. Single particle model. Now, why we are called this shell model is also called as single particle model. Now, consider what is actually happening in the shell model. Now, when that nucleons are filled in the shell of the nucleus, different shell of the nucleus. Now, if the nucleus up to this shell, is completely filled, okay, means the nuclear shell up to this shell is completely filled, okay, means there is no unpaired nuclear. Now, if the nucleus in this shell is single nuclear, that is, that nuclear is unpaired, or single nuclear, okay, and we are going to study on the basis of the single nuclear. We are going to study the properties of nucleus. That's why this model is also called as shell single particle model. Okay, understand? Means due to of this, we are going to study the property of the single nuclear in the nucleus, and that's why this shell model is also called as single particle model. Now, why we are going to study the shell model? Now, by using the shell model, we are going to find spin and parity of given nuclide. Means the nuclide is given on, and using the shell model we are finding the spin and parity of that nuclide. Now, how we can fill that nucleons in the different shell of nucleus? Now see here, as we know, when the electrons are revolving in the different shells of atom, if this is a nucleus and this is an atom, okay, we are writing the electronic configuration for that atom by using Hund's rule. By using Hund's rule, we are writing the electronic configuration for that atom. Means, for writing the electronic configuration in this form 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, okay, in this form, means when we are writing the electronic configuration, we need not to remember all the configuration terms, because easily we can derive that all configuration terms using Hund's rule, like this 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, and like that. One S, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. Okay. Means by using this we can easily derive the different electrons configuration. Okay. Now see here, for the writing the nucleus configuration in the nucleus, we have the sequence like this: S1 half, 2, P 3 by 2, 4, P half, 2, D 5 by 2, 6, again yes, half, 2, D 3 by 2, 4, and many more terms. Means there are total 25 terms in the nucleus configuration in the nucleus. Means when we have to write the nucleus configuration in the nucleus, we have to remember all these 25 terms. Okay, then and then only we can write the nucleus configuration in the nucleus. Now, for remembering all this nucleus configuration, I am giving a small trick to you. See here, what is trick? Now, see here, just write spots writing the nucleus configuration in the nucleus. Now, up to this of, we have to eliminate A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and write the remaining terms or remaining alphabets in the form of 6, 6 and remaining 2 as it is. Means write as spud, okay, after that G, D, S, H, F, P and I and G. Okay. Now see here what I am going to write now. Write about this L value for all this. What is L value for S? 0. For P 1. For D 2. For S 0. For F 3. For P 1. For G 4. For D 2. For S 0. For H 5. For F 3. For P 1. For I 6. And for G it is 4. And we are taking the spin of that all the nucleus as 1/2. Okay. And to the suffix, to the base of this all the term, we have to write total angular moment. That is L plus S. Okay. Now, as we know, if here L is 0, then J is L plus S, that is only 1/2. Okay. Now, if this is 1/2, then there also plus half and minus half. Means in this year state, the occupancy of total occupancy of this year state is 2. Okay. Means there may be upspin and downspin. Means there should be the 2 nuclei can be occupied. That's why I am writing here yes 1/2 2. Understand everyone? Now second one. See here. See here. P. For the P L value is 1, S value is half. That is 1 plus half and 1 minus half. There is a 2 value. Okay. When 1 plus half there is a 3 by 2. Means P 3 by 2 and L minus half P 1. Now when P 3 by 2, then what is J value total? 4. 3 by 2 plus half minus 3 by 2. Means there should be the 4 nucleons in this shape. Understand? Here 2. Similarly, now for this, see here, for the T, 2 plus half 5 by 2. D 5 by 2. Occupancy will be 6. 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 1/2, minus 1/2, minus 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2. Means 6 nuclei should be there. For D, L minus half, that is D 3 by 2, it occupied 4. And see here, for the first 6, intrusion is exist. Okay. Why intrusion is exist? Because intrusion means what actually? The term is repeated. See here, S is repeated after this S, P is also repeated after this P. Then we have to introduce S term in between these two D. Means that term will be here. That will be S 1/2 2. Okay. That is called an intrusion exist. Now for the F, see here. For the F, there is also a 2 term. Okay. F 7 by 2, it will contain 8 terms, and F 5 by 2, it will contain 6 terms. Wait. See here. D 5/2 contains 6 terms. Yes, 1 term contains 2 terms, and D 3/2 contains 4 terms. Okay, that is for this. Now for the F, there is also intrusion exists. Okay, because P is repeated. Now for this, we are writing like that. Means F 7/2 it contains 8 terms. Okay. P 3/2 it contains 4 terms. After that F 5/2 it contains 6 terms, and P 1/2 it contains 4 terms. Now up to for these 6 terms there is an intrusion exists. Now after that G, D, S, H, F and P. Even though this S is also repeated, D is also repeated, but here intrusion is not exist. Intrusion not exist. Understand? Means what? We have to write it separately. Okay, means what? For the G, what is value of L? 4, D2, S0, H 5, F3, P1, P1. Now for the G, then what is value? See here, G 9/2 which will contain 8 terms, G 7/2 which will contain, sorry, this is contain 10, this is contain 8 terms. No intrusion exists. That's why I am writing separately. Okay. After that D 3/2 it contains 5 terms, D 5/2, D 3/2 it will contain 4 terms. Here yes, half it will contain 2 terms. Now for this H 5 plus half, H 11/2 it contains 12 terms. Here H 9/2 it contains 10 terms. For the F 9/2 10 terms. Here F 7/2 it contains 8 terms. Now for the P 3/2 it contains 4 terms. P1 it contains 2 terms. Understand, student? Means up to this intrusion exists. After for this system intrusion is not exist, and for this last one intrusion is again exist. Means what? How we can write here? I and G. For I, here value is 6, and for G, then value is 4. That was 6 plus half. Okay, I 13/2. It contains 14 terms, and for this I 11/2. It contains 12 terms. Okay, student. And for the G 9/2. It contains 10 terms, and G 7/2. It will contain 8 terms. Understand, students? Means when we are going to write the nucleus configuration, or when we are going to fill the different nucleus in the different shapes, then before filling that nucleus, we have to remember all these system, all these 25 terms. Okay, but by using these tricks, we need not to remember all these terms. When we are going to exam, just write down this at the back side of the paper and solve the problems on this. Now I am writing the total sequence of these 25 terms. Okay, see here. Okay, see students. S half, it will contain 2 terms. After that, P 3 by 2, it will contain 4 terms. P half, it will contain 2 terms. B 5 by 2, it will contain 6 terms, 6 nucleons. Again see here, this is S, S is repeated, that's why it's called 2S. 2S half, it will contain 2 terms. Now, for this D3 by 2, D3 by 2, it will contain 5 terms, 4 terms. After that, here 7 by 2, it will contain 8 terms. P 3 by 2. P is again repeated, that's why it is 2P. 2P 3 by 2 will contain 4 terms. After that, F 5 by 2, it will contain 6 terms. After that, P half, 2P half will contain 2 terms. Understand, students? Now for the first 6 terms that is included exists, and that terms that is up to this. Now for the next 6 terms, included is not exist, we have to just write all that term in their sequence. Okay? Means G 9 by 2 10, G 7 by 2 8. Okay? Now see here, D is repeated. Okay? That's why 2D 5 by 2 will contain 6 nucleons. Okay? Now again 2D 3 by 2, it contains 4 nucleons. Okay? 3S half, it contains 2 nucleons. S is repeated 3 times. First, that is second one, that is third, that is 3S. Now for the H 11 by 2, it contains 12 terms. H 9 by 2, it contains 10 terms. Now for the F, see here, now F is also again repeated. That's why 2F 9 by 2 will contain 10 terms. 2F 7 by 2, it will contain 8 terms. Now for the P is again repeated now 3 times. That's why 3P 3 by 2, it contains 4 terms. And 3P half will contain 2 terms. Now last 2, okay, R 13 by 2, it will contain 4 terms. And G, see here now, G is now repeating, that's why 2G. 2G 9 by 2 will contain 10 terms. So that I 11 by 2, it will contain 12 terms. And last one is G 7 by 2, 2G, it will contain 8 terms. Now students, see here, when we are going to write the nucleons or nucleus configuration for the different shell of nucleus, then we should have to know these 25 terms. Okay? Then only we can fill the nucleus in the different shell of the nucleus. Okay? Now up to this lecture, we have to just write the how we can fill the nucleons in the different shell of the nucleus using that sequence. Okay student, I hope you understand this short tricks. Okay student, thank you.